Come vibe with me. Come laugh with me. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe to Jaylanas, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just picked up my girl Arola and we and the kiddies are headed to the beach today. Today's a beach day. We are going Macqueripe, so come along with us. Y'all, as usual, I forgot my mask. This is Jada mask, but I stopped at Massey here to get a proper mask. $20. Alright, so we just arrived. Finally got a park. We have to park on like this stretch. Let me show y'all. See, this is where we parked. It's like on the stretch because no park. It's like after 4, so let's go. Jaden. Here, the nice little Trinidad tongue. Just got some popcorn. Oh, the sun is like... Yeah, the beach is so full, y'all. We're not even gonna bother to go down. We're sitting right here. Okay, folks. It looks like we're not baiting. We're just sitting here chilling. Chilling like a filling. Okay. This boy could enjoy himself anywhere. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, Gina. Jaden, come here. Oh, this is so pretty. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of beach day. I'm at Maracas beach today with Jaden, Lan, and my cousin Chicky. It's so nice. JD is having a blast. I hope you guys can hear me. I of course got my bacon shark that I'm about to dive into. So, Uncle Sam's. Comment below your favorite bacon shark. Mine is Uncle Sam's. We're just in the water, Jaden and I. We love the water. Oh my god. Obviously I didn't go with my phone. But now he's there with Chicky. Let's see if I can show you. Ugh, let me get up. Ugh. See them there? He didn't even want to come out. The water is like so cold and the waves are so rough, I find. But I can't swim, eh? But the breeze is so nice though. It's like nice and cool. I'm not a hot sun person, so I appreciate the breeze. I'm just here chilling, breastfeeding. You know, mommy duties don't stop. I'm a package deal. I come with 2 kids, yo. So I just got back home. Oh my god, the wind started to blow like so hard. It was so cold. I just got back home. I just finished bathing Jada and baby's asleep, so I'm gonna probably do some TikToks and then shower. I'll probably do like a turmeric mask, you know, to get rid of the tan. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which beach do you prefer between Macqueripe and Maracas. I'm actually not a beach person, you know. I'm just bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. So, and I really wanted bacon shark. And I know I could go right to St. James and get bacon shark, but I wanted the experience of getting bacon shark on the beach, you know what I mean? So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.